Can you mirror this phone in our this call also? Will you able to do this?
No, I don't know.
You are
I don't know
using
how to
Mac.
do. I don't
Yeah,
know
yeah. I'll
you.
teach you. I'll teach you.
Okay.
There is not. Do you
Or
have
or you can do with
like
any
you are
desk.
using Mac?
You can do with any desk. Do I connect there? Also connect.
No, but I need to see in your phone. No, that's why.
Okay, okay, okay. Tell me, tell me.
Okay, I'll tell you what to do. You
Hmm.
are using Mac or something.
I'm using
Mac you
Mac.
have.
Mac.
Okay, just connect your Mac with your device with a cable,
Yeah, yeah.
iPhone
It's
cable.
already connected. Already connected.
It's already connected.
Yeah.
Search for QuickTime Player. Command space QuickTime Player in Mac. Search for it.
QuickTime Player.
QuickTime. It's open. Now, on top of the toolbar where the Apple symbol you can see, over there, uh,
Wait,
file option is there,
wait,
right?
wait, wait. It's opening. It is taking time. Few seconds.
It's fine. It's fine.
I am closing some of the things.
Yeah. And I guess if first of all you share your screen, so I'll teach you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm going to see. Yeah, connected. Where,
Just open
where,
QuickTime.
where it's gone away. Uh,
Command space. Do it again.
Keep time.
Yeah, first one. See on top, it's Apple symbol is there.
Ha ha
Top, yeah, over there file.
ha ha. Ha.
Beside that file, beside, yeah. New movie recording. Yeah, correct. Click on that.
Hmm.
Yeah, it will open one thing.
Hmm.
Yeah. So okay, here see after recording, like in center, it's recording is there, no?
Yeah, yeah.
After there, one arrow is there. Click on that arrow.
This one. Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
This one.
The scroll down.
iPhone
Yeah, your
SE.
phone, I guess iPhone. Yeah,
SE.
yeah,
Yeah.
but
Second
screen
generation.
I need. Go down,
Do I
go
click?
down.
Okay.
Still. No. It's camera. It's camera. No. Your
Camera.
screen would be there. One some screen.
Ha. Screen is there. Yeah,
Same
yeah.
screen.
Do I connect?
iPhone S.
Yeah, yeah. I
Correct.
click on that.
Yeah. Do it. Yeah. Your phone. I can see now. Your phone. 1 second. Your phone is on.
Uh, yeah, yeah. Now it's on.
Yeah. See now I can.
Ha.
Yeah. Now open Testflight.
Uh, Testflight is the app or
Yeah.
some.
Yeah. It's the app. It's there. Go in
Okay,
Play
okay.
App
I
Store.
think we have installed maybe. Yeah,
It's there.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
there.
We have installed
It's
Testflight.
there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Redeem. Okay. Got it. Can you show me? Can you open a setting?
Yeah.
Go back.
Mhm. Back.
Okay. Okay. Now fine. I see. Okay. Open App Store Connect over there. Not in phone. Not in phone. In there.
App Store Connect.
In Chrome. In Safari or Chrome. Yeah. iPhone. It's not needed. You can put it side. Yeah. It's fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. I'll tell you one thing. Go in test. Go in apps first. App. It's written.
Apps.
Top.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go in the first step now. One it will come.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Taste. One second.
Testflight.
Taste flat. Yeah. Tap on taste flat. Yeah.
Hmm.
Hmm. Okay. Go in testing group. Testing group. It's there. No internal testing over there. Yeah.
Internal testing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Click. Okay.
Hmm.
Go down. Go down.
Hmm.
In tester, add one tester. No, no, no. Over there. No, no, no. Cancel, cancel, cancel.
Hmm.
Cancel this.
Yeah.
Taster. After taster, one plus icon is there.
After
Plus
test.
icon.
This one. This one.
Zero after. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct.
Hmm. Here.
Yeah, add. Okay. Yeah, add
Add.
this.
Okay.
Yeah. Now open this mail. I guess go down. I'll check first. Just scroll it down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Open this mail account. This mail account. Just
Okay. Email. Here only.
yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Here it's
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
If it is fine for you, just
Yeah.
open it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You
No.
just need to accept it.
Yeah. Yeah. No issue. No issue.
Yeah.
This one. Hana?
First, yeah, got the invite now. Yeah.
Yeah. This one.
View in Testflight. Click. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, now open your in phone.
Haha.
Open this
Test flight
Testflight
app.
in your phone
Okay.
and
Fine.
just yeah Testflight app and just over there it's written right. Redeem something.
Ha, ready.
Open here also quick time. Just tap on quick time. So I'll teach.
Pardon. Here, this one need to enter na there.
Quick.
I will enter.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
Do I
Yeah.
enter?
Just this is your redeem code. Yeah.
Ha, na.
Just open. Enter this redeem code.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's showing there. Uh, it is showing that install SideMakers install that. What to test
Yeah,
that.
you can now install and test from there. Once it is done, you can upload to the App Store Connect by adding all the information first, then after.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Now I can open it. Yeah, yeah. Now it's opening. Here from the developer, what to test building next. Start testing.
Next, everything.
है ना? Start testing.
Yeah, it will
Okay.
ask for one time only.
Okay. Okay.
Now, if
So
you
so
yeah,
this process is mandatory for every iPhone app. We need to do this.
yeah, because our external right now it's not generated the link. That's why go in external. I just want to check it is done or not.
External. Do I refresh?
Yeah, external testing group. External testing group.
Okay. Okay. One second. One second. One second.
Now whichever if I upload the build, like if you upload the build, it
Mm-hmm.
directly shows you in your test flight that updated one. Okay, you no need to do this process again and again in your phone
Okay.
personally.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
But if you want to test in another phone, then we need to invite
Then
like
we
that.
need to do. Okay. Fine. So they will still approve my this test flight version. They will still approve that.
Yeah, we can upload the same.
Okay. Once again.
That issue which you shared me, no, it is
Ha ha ha.
related to Apple Silicon M1 chip. Okay,
Okay.
like if you want to taste some iPhone app or iPad app in your Mac OS,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
then over there also one test flight is there. Okay, they will provide you one simulator device. So
Okay.
over there, so for that they are providing that you don't give you didn't given the access for this and all that.
Okay, okay,
So
fine.
that is not mandatory for our end because we are not going to use in Mac OS.
Okay, 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 okay. Hmm. Okay.